Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon pork. Begin by selecting a fresh pork belly and trim as needed, keeping about 1/4 inch of fat for flavor. Pat the meat dry and measure your cure ingredients precisely for consistent results. Use a bowl to mix curing salt, sugar, and spices evenly. Rub the cure on all surfaces and place in a sealed bag to rest. Curing creates flavor and safety, so follow steps carefully and be patient. After applying your cure evenly, seal the pork belly and refrigerate for the recommended 5 to 7 days, turning it every day to redistribute juices. When cured, rinse off excess salt, then pat the meat dry until tacky to the touch to form a pellicle. This surface helps smoke adhere for a richer final taste. Smoking imparts classic bacon character while roasting speeds things up, so choose based on time and gear. Preheat your smoker to about 175 to 200 degrees F, and use wood like apple or hickory for a balanced smoke, smoking until the internal temp hits 150 degrees F. If roasting, set the oven to 325 degrees F and monitor temperature closely. Cool the cooked belly, then chill briefly before slicing thinly for uniform bacon strips ready to crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.